They say that good things come in small packages, and that's exactly how I see my beautiful island of Jamaica. Yes, it is so true. Good things do come in small packages. With only 4,244 square miles, Jamaicans have made major impact around the world. Global impact, global stage, I'm talking about. So, we have a lot to be proud of. If you're not proud, I am proud. I am so proud to be a Jamaican. And most importantly, the accomplishments that we have made is amazing. Amazing for such a small country. And I know I keep saying small, but the thing is that Jamaica, we're small. We're only 4,244 square miles. But in spite of size no matter. In spite of size, we have dominated global stage around the world. In my last video, I talk about Jamaica having big chests. We're big chested, meaning that we're so ambitious. We strive for excellence. We're always rising to the occasion. Yeah, that is a Jamaican. And that's the reason why we have made global impact. And guys, I have some names for you, some names of people who have made an impact around the world. And the thing about Jamaicans is that, we personally, we are doing it for ourselves, but sometimes we run out of time, or we don't always have the accommodation or enough resources to develop yourself as quickly as you want to. So the thing about a Jamaican is that we're going to invest that time and money in our children just so that they are better than the generation before. I'm going to share with you like some people who have actually made global impact around the world, and they are Jamaican, or they are of Jamaican blood, Jamaican heritage. They are connected to Jamaica one way or the other. So first, let me start with our superstar model, Miss Naomi Campbell. Did you know that Miss Naomi Campbell, even though she was born in England, her mom is Jamaican, and her mom was a dancer, a very good dancer as that, and daughter, Naomi Campbell, is a superstar model. But you know what? What is so interesting about this is that Naomi Campbell has made a major name for herself. She became the first Black woman to actually be placed on Time magazine. Here in the United States, that is a big deal. To be placed as the first Black woman on Time magazine. Not only is she representing the Black community, but she's also representing Jamaica. She is a Jamaican that became the first Black woman to be placed on Time magazine. Let me tell you, we have to clap. We have to applaud for our Jamaican who are making it out there. We cannot look at them with a red eye. No, we're not going to be gravelicious. We are going to be supportive, and we are going to be proud, because if one of us make it, all of us make it. That is how I see life. That is my outlook on life. If one of us make it, all of us make it. If their day came, our day will come. And that is what we need to, that's how we need to see things, And here we go again. We have another amazing model. She is very young, and she's actually making a name for herself. She is Miss Tammy Williams. Let me grab my notes real quick. Miss Tammy Williams. You would not believe this. Miss Tammy Williams. Tammy Williams, she is a Jamaican. She is Jamaican. I don't know why we always say she is a Jamaican. It's like a thing. You always have to say she is a Jamaican. But no, she is Jamaican. And she is from St. Elizabeth. So everybody in St. Elizabeth right now should be rooting for Miss Tammy. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that Tammy Williams, she's a model, and she's doing very good for herself. But guys, she is making a name for herself by modeling for big brands such as Chanel, Gucci, Calvin Klein, Valentino. Yep, that's our Jamaican girl. We've got to clap. Yeah, man, we have to clap for her. We have to support her because she's making a name for ourselves. Why is this happening? Because we are a resilient people. We are full of tenacity, and we always look at the positive outlook in life. Like nothing is going to mentally hold us down. We're always going to rise to the occasions. And that is what Jamaicans are doing all around the world. Yes, we are. I can primarily speak about what I've seen here in the US because this is where I am living, and I can tell you how Jamaicans are actually doing amazing things here in the United States. But I want to hear about your neck of the wood. How are Jamaicans moving forward in your neck of the wood? Share it in the comment sections because I want to know. Our Jamaican people, it doesn't matter where you place us. You could place us in the forest, you could place us in the palace. We're going to shine like the superstar that we are, right? Another thing, guys, I have to give a shout out to Miss Kamala Harris, who is the Vice President of the United States of America. Yes. All right. She is of Jamaican blood because her father is Jamaican and her father is from St. Anne's in Jamaica. St. Anne's, which is, I guess, Brownstown in St. Anne's, Jamaica. That's where he's from. Well, the daughter of Mr. Harris is the Vice President of the United States of America. Guys, come on now. Even though as Jamaican boy, we cannot be the president of the United States. But nobody said that the blood of a Jamaican cannot be the president of the United States, right? Well, she's not the president, but she is very close to that because she's the assistant president of the United States. And she's doing an amazing job, and we have to be proud of her. Miss Kamala Harris, we tip our hats to you. Okay, and then we have another lady by the name of Yvette Clarke, whose parents were also Jamaican. They're from St. Elizabeth. I know that the mom is from St. Elizabeth. I'm not sure where dad is from in Jamaica. But Miss Yvette Clarke, she is a congresswoman. So we're talking about high places now, high places, Jamaicans in high places. And even mom, as a Jamaican, is also in government as well. So Jamaicans, we're doing very good for ourselves. All we need is opportunity, man, because we already have the ambition, we already have the drive, we know what it is to work hard. All we need is opportunity, and once we have that, we're going after it. So we are so proud of all our Jamaicans out there who are striving for excellence and all those who are working hard to make it in life. And if you're out there and you're sleeping now, come on, we gotta wake up, okay? We gotta wake up. So yeah, Jamaicans, we're proud. I wanna. So I feel like Jamaicans have made it in almost every sector there is out there. We have Jamaicans in Hollywood as actors and actresses. I don't know if you've heard the name of Dual Hill or Kerry Washington. They're out there, they're doing their thing, And not only that, we have our musician. Let's talk about Mr. Sunshine. Of course, we know about Bob Marley and Peter Tosh, but let's talk about Tessanchen now. Our girl Tessanchen came straight out of Jamaica on a global stage here in the United States when she represented on The Voice, and I just love her boldness. I love her confidence and I loved her passion, because that is all the things I saw when she was performing on that stage. I could tell that she enjoyed what she was doing, and that tells you guys that Jamaicans, when we are ourselves, we will go far in life. Just be yourself, man. Just keep that Jamaican spirit alive. Okay, that's Jamaican spirit is magical, So she kept her Jamaican spirit alive by being herself, and she won. She won the competition, and everybody now know who Tessanchen is. And guess what? She's from Jamaica. Tessan, we tip our hats off to you, girl. I love you, by the way. I hope you see this video. I hope you see this video. I don't know if you guys knew this. I don't know if you know this, but did you know that Mike Tyson is also of Jamaican blood because his father is Jamaican? I'm not sure where in Jamaica his father is from, but his dad is Jamaican. So yes, the same big boxer, Mike Tyson, he is Jamaican. And there's also this guy that he had fought against as well by the name of Trevor Berbick. Trevor Berbick is full-blooded Jamaican from Port Antonio. He had fought against Mike Tyson. He's an amazing boxer, okay? He made a name for himself as well here on the stages of America. And I'm telling you, man, Jamaicans, we're doing good for ourselves. We're doing good. Keep going. Keep at it. And I just want to take the time to say, any Jamaicans out there, you have a dream, go after it with 150%, because we have only one life to accomplish that dream. Only one life. You know, it's not like say we have many lives like cats does. They say cats have more than one life. So if they mess up in one life, they come back and they correct it in the other. No. We have only one life to live. So we have to go after it with everything that we have so that we don't have any remorse, you know, because we give it our best. So keep going at your dreams. It will come to pass. Keep that Jamaican spirit alive, the drive that you have. Continue to be resilient, continue to be creative, you know, and resourceful. By the way, keep your confidence. Above all, your confidence. You know, the thing about having a dream is that when you have a dream, sometimes people don't believe in it because your dreams may not necessarily make sense based on where you are currently in life. But one thing that you just cannot allow people to take away from you is your dream, because your dream is yours, you know? And most of the time, our dreams are what God placed in us. And that's why you gotta give it a chance to see where it will go, you know? So guys, keep your dream alive. This is going to transition me into the next topic. We have people, business people in high places in Jamaica. Some of these were a shock to me, but did you know that the owner of Travelers Hotel is a Jamaican, and he built that hotel from scratch. I've always heard of Travelers Hotel, but I always thought that, you know, it is up there with the foreign entities and so forth. No, that hotel is actually built from scratch by Mr. Wellington. Let me get his name correctly. Winston Wellington built that hotel from scratch to where it is now. And we've got to be so proud of our Jamaicans who are, first of all, investing back into our country, and is also making a name for themselves. So, you know, we're proud. And as Jamaican, the least that we can do is, whenever we are visiting home, book a night or two there, stay there, you know, and support our local people who are making a difference in our own country. So Mr. Wellington, I respect you, sir, for everything that you have done in your home country of Jamaica. And I heard that it wasn't easy. I heard that you came from a very humble background, and I heard that your dreams were taken lightly. Not many people believed in your dream, but you kept your dream alive and you kept going and looked where you are today. And that should be a testimony to all of us, to never give up on our dreams, but to keep pushing in spite of what people may think or believe. They will laugh because your dream will never make sense to others, but man, you've got to keep going. So Mr. Wellington, you are a major example to us Jamaicans, and I am so proud to know that I am of Jamaican blood, and that same tenacity that is in you is also in me, and it is also in others. We also have Ultimate Court Hotel. I stayed at Ultimate Court Hotel the last time I was in Jamaica, and they are owned by a Jamaican family as well. I had a very good stay when I was there. I didn't feel like I was lacking in any way when it comes to the resources that is provided there. I never felt that I was lacking in any way. They provided everything that I needed. It was there, and but what I love is that when I was there, I felt like I was actually home. I didn't have that touristic vibe that I would normally get from the larger entities, the larger hotels in Jamaica. But when I was staying at Ultimate Court Hotel, I feel like I got everything, all the amenities that you get from the major hotels. I got it there. And but also that Jamaican vibes, that feel of being home. I felt it, that Jamaican spirit was very alive at Ultimate Court Hotel. Now, you know what, guys? I've heard of Trident Hotel recently. I don't know who they are, but they're located in Port Antonio, Jamaica. So Trident Hotel is also owned by a Jamaican. The name of the owner's name is Michael Lee Chin. He's a Jamaican born, also who owned that hotel. And I'm just proud, okay? If we're Jamaican and we own businesses in Jamaica, that is a plus. And I tip my hat off to you. But this one shocked me because I did not know that Sandals Hotel was founded by a Jamaican born by the name of Gordon Butch Stewart. Gordon Butch Stewart is Jamaican born, and as we all know, that Sandals is a major hotel. Not only is it located in Jamaica, but it is also located in the Caribbean. I did not know that Sandals was founded by a Jamaican. And let me tell you, guys, that comes to tell you that there's nothing that we cannot overcome. That tells you that if we work hard and we have a plan and we put some steps in place as to how we are going to achieve that plan, we will make it. Keep your dream alive because your dream is valid. It is valid. So guys, Jamaicans out there, and if you're not a Jamaican and you're watching my video, I just want to say continue to be resilient, continue to be strong-minded, continue to be authentic, and most of all, be proud. And Jamaicans, continue to be proud of our heritage. Continue to invest in yourself and invest in your children so that we can be a better Jamaica. Love you guys. Please support my channel by subscribing, and I hope to see you soon. Go ahead and share my video if you like it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.